Going over chem photosynthesis. Before we do that, I'd like you to imagine this scenario. That's you right there. You want to go on a run right now. You could, but the weather right now is beating down because the sun is out and it's 97 degrees outside. Or you could go at night when it is 77 degrees and mildly breezy and you don't sweat as much. Well, your friends, is the purpose of chem photosynthesis. Of course, in a plant context, but we'll explore that. So, stomata. The stomata allows them to absorb carbon dioxide, something they need for photosynthesis. And in chem photosynthesis, plants are able to open their stomata at night. And so they open their stomata at night to breathe CO2, and this reduces a lot of water loss because when you open stomata, you allow water to escape the plant, and if it's really hot, the plant will transpire and use that water, so the plant doesn't overheat. But when you are able to open it at night, you don't lose as much. So plants open stomata at night, they absorb CO2. This CO2 is captured and they process it into something called malate, which is an acid that plants can use to grab onto that CO2 and hold it. Malate is stored in the vacuoles of plant cells. And I like to think of the vacuole as a big battery of sorts, and this battery is basically, it's storing this malate and CO2. So you fully charge up this battery with malate, which is holding on to CO2, and in the daytime, you can use this malate to run the Calvin cycle, and then the plant would generate energy, which would be glucose, and it grows. So that works into the Calvin cycle at daytime. And that's kind of chem photosynthesis in a nutshell. The benefits with chem photosynthesis is that you lose less water, which means a higher chance of survival, especially in plants that grow in really desert and arid conditions. However, this does make the plant grow slower. Some examples of chem plants are aloe and pineapple. But that's about it. Thank you so much.